Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ashanna Ratipelli. In this video, I would like to show you a systematic English grammar.
One and more than one. Look and say after me. A boy, boys. An egg, eggs. An apple, apples. An eye, eyes. A tree, trees. A shoe, shoes. A key, keys. A monkey, monkeys. Did you notice something? These words needed only an S to make more than one. A glass, glasses. A box, boxes. A brush, brushes. A bench, benches. A buffalo, buffaloes. A mango, mangoes. These words needed an ES to make more than one. Now look at these words. Baby, baby. Lady, ladies. Note Y is changed into IES to make more than one. Here F and FE change into VES to make more than one. Calf, calves. Knife, knives. Now study these words. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Mouse, mice. Tooth, teeth. Man, men. Woman, women. Child, children. Ox, oxen.
Do as shown. A boy, boys. A monkey, monkeys. A book, books. A kid, kids. A pen, pens. A paper, papers. A bench, benches. A glass, glasses. A box, boxes. A brush, brushes. A tomato, tomatoes. A mango, mangoes. A loaf, a leaf, leaves. A loaf, loaves. A thief, thieves. A knife, knives. A calf, cows. A wolf, wolves. Pick words and drop them in their right boxes as shown. VES, IES. loaves, babies, wives, flies, thieves, stories, cows, house, ladies. Select from the box and drop in the right oval. Man, men, ox, oxen, tooth, teeth, foot, feet, child, children, mouse, mice, woman, women, goose, geese.
Pairs of words. This is a very interesting lesson. It shows how some words go in pairs. For example, we say boys and girls. Let us make pairs from the two sets of pictures. The pairs we make are bread and butter, cup and saucer, eyes and ears, men and women, fruit and vegetables. Wasn't this fun? Find more such pairs by yourselves.
Choose collective and material nouns from the bubbles and write them in the correct column. Teacher and pupils. Mother and child. Salt and pepper. Boys and girls. Doors and windows. Hands and feet. Uncle and aunt. Sun and moon. Day and night. Pen and ink. Make pairs by matching column A with column B. Bat, ball, desk, bench, ink, pot, tea, coffee, sky, earth,